Imagine running your YouTube channel on autopilot. Thumbnails created automatically, replies sent to your comments automatically, description generated by AI, and videos posted to various social media platforms. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 automation using Pabbly and YouTube. The first idea here is generate 100 plus thumbnails. Now using this automation, you can generate multiple thumbnails without lifting any finger. You have to write the title description of the video you are going to create, and then AI agent is automatically going to generate the thumbnail based on the same idea. The next one is auto reply comments. Now whenever someone posts a comment on my YouTube video, the reply based on the same comment which they have posted is sent automatically. I'm going to generate the replies using AI agent. The next title or the next idea is this Instagram to YouTube promotion. I'm posting reels on my Instagram and I want the same reel to be posted to my YouTube channel. With the help of this automation, you can do the same. The fourth one is YouTube to Facebook auto sharing. Whenever I share a new video on my YouTube, I want the same video to be shared on my Facebook page. So using this automation, you can share the videos to your Facebook account. The final is auto-generate YouTube description. With this, you can generate description for your YouTube videos. You can add the title and the idea of your content, and it is automatically going to generate the description which you can share to your YouTube video or add that to your Google Sheet spreadsheet. These are the top 5 ideas, and if you want to learn more on this, let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's start understanding these top 5 YouTube automation which we have created using Pabbly Connect. The first one is generate 100 plus thumbnails. So using this automation which you can see on my screen, I have built the connection between Google Sheets and Google Gemini in such a manner that as soon as I add a new title, hook and description in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, within no time a link is created using Google Gemini. This is the link for my thumbnail. So if you are running a YouTube channel, creating thumbnails is also a very important task to improve the video CTR. Now with the help of this automation, you do not have to create any thumbnail manually. You just have to give the prompt to the AI and it is going to generate the thumbnail for you. Here in this first trigger application, I have selected Google Sheet spreadsheet where I have built the connection between my spreadsheet and this Pabbly Connect. And as I add the title, description and hook, the response is received in this particular workflow. Then after this, I have selected my action application as Google Gemini, where I'm going to generate the images. In my action event, I have selected generate and edit images nano banana, where I have selected the model as nano banana 2, the method as generate content, and then I have written a very detailed prompt. In this prompt, we have entered you are a professional YouTube thumbnail designer. Your task is to create a high click-through rate thumbnail based on the information provided. I have provided these details using mapping. Now, if you want to learn about mapping, I'm going to mention the video link in the description of all of these videos. If you want to get a detailed explanation of all of these videos, you can check that out. Now, over here, we have this video title. I've mapped that. I've simply clicked on this field, enter slash, and from this Google Sheets response, I have mapped the title, description, and the hook, and then I have entered the prompt. So these are the details which I require in my thumbnail. I have entered the guidelines, composition, image rule, goal, output, and then after executing this, I received the response. So I received a link, and then I want to update that link which it has generated for me to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So after this step, again I have taken Google Sheets as my action application, where I have selected my spreadsheet, the range, and I have entered the value. Now in this range, you can see that I have entered D. This is the column D and the row is 2. I have mapped this because whenever I'm going to add a new title, it is going to increase. So the row will keep changing. 3, 4, 5. So we have kept the column as D, and then we have mapped the row from the previous response, which is this Google Sheet spreadsheet. I have entered in this value the link which I have generated using Google Gemini. I have executed this workflow and it was posted. Now we are going to test this once. I'm going to add the title, hook and description in front of you. And if I receive the link updated in this column, then this is going to show us that this automation is working fine. So here I'm going to enter the title, So here I've entered the title as create 100 plus YouTube thumbnails in minutes using AI. Then the hook is 100 thumbnails in minutes. And then I'm going to add the description as learn how to generate dozen of YouTube thumbnails automatically using AI tools and automation workflows. Perfect for content creators who want to save time. Now let's wait for a few seconds. You will see that this column will get updated with a new link. Here it is, the link is updated. I'm going to open this link. Let's open, and here it is. It has created a very vibrant and a very catchy thumbnail. Create 100 plus thumbnails in minutes. The AI automation guide. This has been generated using the guidelines which I have provided in my prompt. So based on whatever you are writing in your prompt, it is going to generate the same thumbnail for you. So this is how this automation is going to run, and you do not have to lift any finger or you have to put any efforts in creating the thumbnails manually. Moving on towards the next automation we have. The second one here is auto reply to YouTube comments. Now, if you are an influencer, engaging with your audience 24/7 is a very hectic task. But you can do this using this automation, which will also boost your engagement with your audience and reply to their comments. Now, here I've created this setup where I have connected my YouTube channel with Pabbly Connect, and in my trigger event, I have selected new comment on the channel. I've selected my channel and then I've selected the maximum result. After which I've clicked on the save and send test request, and as soon as a new comment is added on my YouTube channel, it starts appearing over here in this result. Now I have built a connection with this OpenAI. This OpenAI is going to generate the replies for the comment which is posted on my YouTube video. So as I made the connection, I have entered the prompt, I have selected my AI model, and then it has generated the reply to be posted to that particular comment. And then after this step, I am going to select YouTube as my action application again, and in my action event I am going to select reply to comment. I am going to select the reply text by mapping it. In this reply text, I have entered the reply which OpenAI has generated for me. I have mapped this response. As I map this, in this comment ID, I have entered the response which I have received from this YouTube. So here we have to map the reply which we have received from AI agent, and then we have to enter the comment ID which we have received from the trigger step. With this, you reply to the particular comment which you have mapped, and when there is a new comment, this comment ID gets replaced with a new comment ID, and this reply gets replaced with a new reply generated using OpenAI. Now as you do this, you get the response and the reply is posted to your comment. So this is how you see this automation will work wonders for you, and you do not have to lift any finger to reply to the comments which you are receiving on your videos. You just have to enter the prompt and enter the prompt according to your requirement, that these are the requirements, and whenever someone comments like this, you have to reply like this. OpenAI is going to generate that reply and it will be posted automatically. Moving on towards the third automation, which is automatically upload Instagram videos on YouTube. Now here, if you are a content creator and you want cross posting so as to improve your reach and to increase your audience, then this automation will work wonders for you. You simply have to post your reel on Instagram, and then it is going to be automatically posted to your YouTube channel as a short. So if I open this Instagram for business, I have posted a reel on my account. If I scroll down, you can see that this is the particular caption, the title of that particular reel, a beautiful view of the Burj Khalifa captured in perfect weather. Now you see that the media product type is reels. I want that whenever I post reel on my Instagram, it should be shared to my YouTube as short. So for that, in the next action application, I have selected filter, and in this label I have mapped the media product. So here it is, the media product type is reel. The filter type will be equal to, which means whenever the media product type will be equal to the value which I have manually entered reels, then this video will be posted to my YouTube channel. So you see that here the response is success, condition is true. So this reel will be posted to my YouTube. I have selected my channel, I have selected or entered the title, description and the video URL here, which I have received from this particular response, Instagram for Business, my trigger response. And then you see, if I open my channel, this is the video which I have posted on my Instagram, and you see this is the same title and the same description, a beautiful view of Burj Khalifa captured in perfect weather, and then we have this description. This is the same description. This is how this automation is going to work, and you do not have to lift any finger to keep on posting on various social media handles. You can simply connect your Instagram with your YouTube, and whenever you post a new reel on your Instagram, it will be automatically shared to your YouTube channel. Moving on towards the next automation we have here is share YouTube videos on Facebook in one click. So this is the same automation of cross posting where your trigger application is YouTube. When you post your videos on YouTube, it will be shared to your various social media accounts. Here I'm going to take my Facebook page. Now here, as soon as I post a new video on my YouTube channel, so if I open my YouTube channel and show you what video I have posted, so this is my video. The title of this video is I'm on Cloud 9. This is the video I have posted, and with the help of that automation, you will see that I will share the same video on my Facebook. Let me take you back towards the workflow. After setting up the trigger application, I have simply selected my action application as Facebook pages, where I have selected the page. First, I have built the connection between my Facebook account and the Facebook pages with Pabbly Connect. After successfully creating this connection, I have selected the page. Now here, this is the page on which I want to post this video. So I'm going to go back towards my workflow. I have selected the page. I have entered the message, hello everyone, I have uploaded a new YouTube video, please check it out. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. And then I have mapped the link URL which I have captured from this previous response, which is just trigger application YouTube. So you see, I have already executed this workflow. I'm going to add one more line so as to make it clear to you when I execute this workflow again. So now here, these are the changes which I have made, and I have saved the changes. Now what we are going to do, I'm going to cross this. I'm going to test this workflow. As I click on this test workflow, this is a polling application in my trigger application. So it is going to use the previous response. Here, polling based application do not give the reply instantly, and that's why we get this option of test workflow where the most recent previous data is used. So I'm going to simply click on this test workflow. Let's wait till the test workflow is completed, and you will see as soon as it is completed, my video will be posted to my Facebook page. So test trigger sent successfully. I'm going to open my Facebook and I'm going to refresh this page once. And here it is. Just now we have shared the same video. Hello everyone, I have uploaded a new YouTube video. Hope you like it. Please check it out. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. If I click on this, I will be redirected towards that channel and that video. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run. You can post your videos from your YouTube to your Facebook page directly without lifting any finger. Moving on towards the final automation, here we have as auto-publish video description with AI agent for maximum impact. Now here I have selected my trigger application as YouTube, and whenever a new video in the channel with video URL is published, I have selected my channel ID, and as soon as it is published, I get the response over here. After which, I am going to generate the description based on the YouTube title using OpenAI, and as OpenAI generate the description for me, I am going to post it to my YouTube video. So here first I have published the video in this trigger application. Then in the second application, which is OpenAI, I'm generating the description using the prompt. So this is the prompt which I have entered, and based on the same prompt, OpenAI is going to generate the description for me. So if I check the response, it has generated this description for me. After this step, I'm going to select my action application as a YouTube, update video detail, where I have selected the video category ID. You can retrieve this video category ID using this method. It is given in the help desk here. Then we have to select the channel. Now I have selected the channel over here as demo channel. You can see I have selected the same channel because the video is posted on that channel, and I want to update the same video with the new description. Now then we have this video ID which I have fetched from this previous response, which is this trigger. So from here I got the video ID and the video title, which I simply mapped, after which I have this video description which I received from OpenAI. So I mapped that executed this workflow and updated the video description. Now what we are going to do, I'm going to upload a video on my YouTube in front of you, and then you will see the description will be generated and posted to that particular video. Let's check this once. I'm going to open my YouTube channel. So here, this is my YouTube channel. I'm going to upload the video. I'm going to select the file. So let's suppose I want to upload this short. I'm going to select this and then I'm going to enter. Pabbly Connect is the best automation and integration software. So this is the title which I have entered. I'm not going to enter the description. Then I'm going to select no, it's not made for kids. Click on this next, then click on this next again, then click on this next, and then I'm going to publish this. I'm going to click on this publish and you will see the video will be posted. Let's wait for a few seconds. Here the video is posted. Let's refresh this once. And here it is, you can see the description is not added. I'm going to open this once. We have the video link, and this is the video which I have uploaded without any description. Now I'm going to wait for a few seconds. I'm going to refresh this and you will see the description will be updated automatically. And here it is, you can see that we have added a description. If I open this, you can see the description has been added automatically after just waiting for few seconds. So we can see the description is updated now. In this video, we explore how Pabbly Connect stand out as ultimate automation and integration software for small business owners in the wellness industry. Discover how to streamline your operation, enhance clients onboarding, and generate more leads through effective chatbot integration. You see that it has given me a very nice description which is posted automatically to this video which I have posted on my YouTube channel. These were the top 5 YouTube automation which we have created using Pabbly Connect. I have attached the link of these workflows and the video links also if you want to get the detailed video explanation of all these automation workflows. I really hope you liked this video and understood this video very well, and if you have any doubts you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. You can comment down the application on which you want to get the automation and we are going to create that for you. Before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.